Bruno Mars would be an amazing dream na makakollab. Sino pa ba? So far, yun pa lang. And ako naman, whoever, may it be a big artist or any artist, not just from the western side, like Asian collaborations, I would be very open to do that. I guess it's because pag nag-collaborate ka ng ibang artists, may mga bagay na nailalabas mo na kaya mo pa palang mailabas. You just needed the right collaboration, the right artist, and the right production, diba? So, yun, pinaka-dream ko talaga is to just continue putting out songs out there, not just from myself, but from other artists' collaborations.
In what song kaya? Kung magkakulat kayo ni Bruno Mars?
I'd rather have an original song siguro, like something empowering, something happy, and something positive siguro. Something that will encourage people na, to see how beautiful life is.
Is it possible na Filipino song would be
Depende sa kanya yon. But ako, any opportunity that's going to be given to me, of course, through my label, ABS-CBN Music, sina Jonathan Manalo, sina Sir Roxy, ayun, anything that they find na parang bagay sa akin, I'd be willing to do.
Yung kanina na-mention mo din na toy collector ka. We're just curious kung magkano yung most expensive toy collection.
Oh, I'm the ones that I bought from my collection. Siguro mga nasa meron 6 figures. Yeah, 6 figures. So, and hindi lang sila toys kasi, they're more of collectibles na talaga, and it's some of them are museum pieces already. So, kaya umabot siya ng ganun kamahal. Yeah, and it's also a good investment. Not that I plan to sell some of them, but it's a good investment kasi every year, pag tumatagal siya, mas tumataas yung value.
Diyan sa nag-stem, itong pagiging toy collector mo?
I've always loved toys. Bata pa ako, I've loved toys. Pero siguro kasi my mom and my dad, they're very practical when it comes to toys, na hindi kami binibilhan just like that. You really have to work hard for it. So when I started earning my own money, isa sa mga unang-una ko talagang nag-splurge ako is toys. So
To
I
feed
started,
your
the inner
childhood.
child, parang things that I couldn't buy before, now I can because I work hard for the money that I spent for it. So yun.
Was there a time that you felt guilty buying this?
Buying toys? Siguro, but then I've realized na these things make me happy. And as long as the money I buy the toys is mine and it's my hard-earned money, wala naman siguro masama doon. And I always tell people, as long as it's within your means, as long as it makes you happy, go for it. May it be a collection, may it be food, may it be going out with friends. Do not scrimp on making yourself happy.
So, bagay na bagay din boss sa Broadway, like, are there plans?
It's just sad kasi there were offers before. Years back when I won the Buyo Copa, there were offers before, but I was just starting my career in the Philippines. Hindi ko gusto naman na talikuran. So I still believe na darating yung mga offers na yun ulit. Kasi yun nga, I've always received that comment lagi na bagay ka sa Broadway, bagay na bagay ka on stage. Who knows? If there's a good project, again, I'm willing to
So, open ka rin for this opportunity.
yeah, very much.
May regrets ka ba din?
Regrets in a way, but again, I try to look at it in a different perspective. Kasi kung tinanggap ko yung mga offers noon kaagad, siguro mahihirapan ako magkaroon ng career dito sa Pilipinas. So it's all good pa din na I did not accept those offers. I stayed in the Philippines. I built my name, and 20 years after, I'm still here. And andyan pa rin ang mga offers. Malay natin, di ba? Hindi naman natatapos yan. Madami pang mga trabaho na all at the right time, right place.
Jed, follow up kami sa question kanina. Do you have an idea kung ilan na yung collection pieces mo?
A lot. Like if you see and check out my social media accounts now, it's almost all of my entries in content are toys. Buong bahay na ang toys. I think I have around four rooms of different toys. It's art toys, it's blind boxes, it's museum pieces, it's ball jointed dolls, statues, pop culture items, and lahat.
Pinaka-favorite mo?
Pinaka-favorite, ang hirap. It's just the same as asking me kung anong favorite song ko. Ganon, madami. It depends on the mood.
Any plans to put up a museum for you?
Yes, actually it gave me an idea. Yung last Toy-Con gave me an idea kasi I released a toy and I made a setup doon sa Toy-Con na may coffee and food and stuff, but people were telling me, why don't you put up a toy cafe slash, a display of all your works. So hopefully pag nagkaroon ng time at nagkaroon ng pang-invest, siguro a toy cafe or a toy museum would be a good idea.